Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have Salon Perfect's Neon Pop collection. This year they have 5 brand new neons, so I'll have those included in today's video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first polish is one of the brand new neons called Good Vibes Only, and this is a light bubblegum pink polish. So here is the first coat of Good Vibes Only. This polish applies really nicely, but it's not completely opaque on the first coat, so here is the second coat of Good Vibes Only. Most of the polishes in this collection dry to a matte finish, so I'm going to be applying Salon Perfect's Crystal Clear Top Coat to add a glossy shine. Here's 2 coats of Good Vibes Only with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This next polish is called Oh Snap, and this is a super bright neon pink polish. Here is the first coat of Oh Snap, and this is so beautiful and so bright. I absolutely love it, and it's completely opaque in just one coat. I absolutely love how vibrant this polish is, even without a white base underneath. So here is 1 coat of Oh Snap with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This is another one of the new neons called Cut to the Chase, and this is a light lilac purple. Here is the first coat of Cut to the Chase, and it is a little bit streaky, so I will be applying a second coat. So here is the second coat of Cut to the Chase, and I reached full opacity. I love this shade, and I think this would go perfectly during any season of the year. So here is 2 coats of Cut to the Chase with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This one is another one of my favorites called Purple Pop, and this is a bright purple polish. Here is the first coat of Purple Pop, and as you can see, it applies really nicely. It is such a beautiful neon purple polish, and it is completely opaque in just 1 coat. I purchased my own bottle of Purple Pop a couple of years ago, and I think they might have changed the formula since then, because my old bottle is definitely not opaque in 1 coat, and I also think this version is a little bit brighter. So here is 1 coat of Purple Pop with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This one is called Frolic with Me, and this is also one of the brand new neons, and this is a light periwinkle blue. This is the first coat of Frolic with Me, and it applies pretty nicely, but it's not completely opaque, so I will be applying a second coat. And here is the second coat of Frolic with Me. So here is 2 coats of Frolic with Me with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. Ride the Heatwave is another new neon in this collection, and this is the darker version of Frolic with Me. Here is the first coat of Ride the Heatwave, and this does have more of a jelly-like formula compared to the other polishes in this collection, and it's not completely opaque in the first coat, so I will be applying a second coat of Ride the Heatwave. So here's 2 coats of Ride the Heatwave with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This is Icy Haute, and this is a super bright mint polish. So here is the first coat of Icy Haute, and as you can see, it's pretty streaky, so I thought I would be needing 3 coats, but it actually built up quite nicely in just 2. So here is the second coat of Icy Haute. So here is 2 coats of Icy Haute with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This one is called Mer-Made of Money, and this is a neon aqua polish. Here is the first coat of Mer-Made of Money, and just like the last polish, this is pretty streaky on the first coat. Here is the second coat of Mer-Made of Money, and while it did build up quite nicely, it's not completely opaque, so I will be applying a third coat. And here is the third coat of Mer-Made of Money. This does look pretty similar to Icy Haute, but it definitely does have a little bit more blue to it. This polish also does not dry completely matte like the other polishes in the collection, but I'm still going to apply a coat of Salon Perfect's Crystal Clear Top Coat. So here is 3 coats of Mer-Made of Money with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. This one is called Show Me the Money, and this is a green polish with a hint of teal. So here is the first coat of Show Me the Money, and just like Ride the Heat Wave, this has more of a jelly-like formula and is not completely opaque on the first coat. So here is the second coat of Show Me the Money. On camera I can see my nail line, but in person it wasn't noticeable at all, so I only applied 2 coats. So here is 2 coats of Show Me the Money with the Crystal Clear Top Coat. So here is one more look at all of the polishes that I swatched today. My favorites are Oh Snap and Purple Pop because they are so vibrant and they are one coaters. If you would like to purchase these polishes, Salon Perfect is available at Walmart for only $3.98. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the swatches of Salon Perfect's Neon Pop collection. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe because in my next video, I'll be using these polishes to create some really fun nail art. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!